Hey guys, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And in today's video, I will be guiding you how to log into a Azebra employee account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you are comfortable with and on the search URL, type in Azebra employee login. Press enter on your keyboard. Now from this interface, click on this first link that says Azebra Home. It will take you to the official website of Azebra. Now in order to log in, you will get a menu bar at the top of this interface. From there, click on Portal Login. Then you will be taken to Login page. Here on the username text field, enter your valid or correct username. And once you're done, under that again type in your correct password. In case you have forgotten your username or password, click on this link provided to you, which will help you out to recover your account. If you are done typing in your username and password, click on this login button and on the next page you will be logged into your employee account. And that is how you can simply log into Azebra employee account. If this video was helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you in next video.